What's up mga quiz mga atis? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin is na namang bagong video galing sa Hollywood at ito yung movie galing sa Lionsgate Movies na may title na Silent Night. So obviously pang Christmas tong movie na to. So is official trailer nito yung Silent Night. So, hindi ko na pahabayin pa ito at papanoorin na natin yung official trailer at later bibigay ko ng reaction at opinion ko. So let's go!
Shots fired! Shots fired! All units, please respond.
Action. One of the most John Wick. December, Christmas Eve. December 1. Okay, tayo ko na panood natin official trailer ng Silent Night na directed by John Woo. Na-excite tuloy ako nung nalaman ko na si John Woo yung director. And this is the reason why kaya ang ganda ng trailer, yung official trailer nito. So, it's an heavy action movie. Actually, it's a revenge movie na action, and bibihira tayo makupalit ng ganitong movie na naka-slate ng December. Normally we see movie na pang kiddie talaga, or mga yung comic book movies, so, or kay mga action adventure, but bibihira tayo makakita ng ganito na true blue action movie. And ang na-remember ko na last na napanood kong action movie na December in the release is yung kay Bruce Willis, yung Die Hard. So this is another action movie for a long time, diba? Merong ipapalabas sa December. And ang ganda yung trailer, ma-action siya, and ang ganda yung mga shots, and as in everything maganda, even the action scenes. And that is because of John Woo. Ang galing. And definitely, the storyline will be as good as yung mga nagawa niyang dati.